Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing amazing out there. In this video, I'm going to educate you how not to lose or crash your drone. You're going to fly safe by following this guide. It's very important. Wind condition and time to fly is very important. So stay tuned and enjoy this video. Now, majority of the time, you see people lose their drones for flyaway because they didn't follow the instructions. You know, like I've been flying drone, I got some accidents, I get crashed, but these things are very, very important. If you want to fly safe and be a good pilot in the future, these things are very, very important. The most important thing is the wind. The wind speed is very, very important for the drones. Even though you can gamble it, but majority of the time people lose their drones. Another thing you should also consider is when you look, make sure you have a lot of satellite available before you take off, because the satellite is going to help you for the drone to return home safely. At the moment, I only have 5 satellites, so it's not enough. And you can see the satellite signal at the corner there. It's very, very important. The drone is here. I'm just waiting. You can see at the moment it says takeoff caution, home point updated. I have 14 signal, satellite. Once it says home point updated, you're safe to fly, but always be cautious. The more satellites, more safer. Well, I'm just going to take off the drone just to fly there and then back. So I'm going to use the manual takeoff. So you see that? I've just pressed this button, hold it down, and now the motor started. This drone is very, very quiet. I don't even know you can hear it. You can see now, I don't know if you can see the drone. This is what I was telling you. It's very, very... You see how strong the wind is. Do not take off. This is just a demonstration. It's very, very strong. You can see how the drone is struggling at the moment. So, especially windy condition is very important when you fly your drone. You could lose your drone, fly away, damage, water damage, because the gust wind speed is very, very dangerous for the drone. So, for example, like today, it's very, very high, so I couldn't fly the drone. But I'm just going to demonstrate how the drone look like when it's very, very windy. Things like this, you could fly away, the drone could lose, the wind could blow your drone away. You could drop in the water. It's very important that you watch this particular moment not to lose your drone. Well, I hope you learned something from that. It's very important, whatever the app is telling you not to do, if it shows poor flying condition, guys, do not attempt to fly your drone. You could end up losing your drone or damage your drone. So definitely see you guys in the next video. If this video is very useful, please consider sharing this video on Facebook, Thread, everywhere. I'll definitely see you guys with the next tips. Flying safe.